Venkateshwara College of Engineering in the Department of Information Science and Engineering. My subject name is Social Connectivity and Responsibility and its code BSCK307. Topic Heritage Walk. Today I am going to explore Bhoganandeshwara Temple, which is located in Nandi village of Nandi Hills. It is 8 kilometers away from Chikbalapur town and 55 kilometers away from Bengaluru city, the capital of Karnataka. Bhoganandeshwara Temple and Arunachaleshwara Temple are twin Hindu temples, complex located in Nandi village in Chikbalapur district of Karnataka. Ornamentally beautiful, carved and dedicated to Shiva, they have been variously dated between 9th to 10th century CE. The Bhoganandeshwara is the northern temple of the twin. It is the oldest surviving temple in Nolambavadi style of Dravidian architecture in Karnataka. The Arunachaleshwara temple was added to the south shortly thereafter. The complex underwent restorations and additions through the Vijayanagara Empire period. The temples are notable for its large and intricately carved Sabha Mandapa, the instructions and art, much of its Shaivism, but also significantly for Vaishnavism, that is Narasimha and Vishnu, Shaktiism, Durga and Lakshmi, and Vedic deities. Early 9th century inscriptions found near Nandi village refer to a temple for Shiva. However, these inscriptions do not mention this temple complex. According to the Archaeological Survey of India, these inscriptions can be attributed to the Nolamba dynasty ruler Nolambadi Raja and the Rashtrakuta Emperor Govinda III, and they dated from century 806 and 810 century CE. Copper plate inscriptions found near 10 kilometers away from Chikbalapur refer to the wife of Bana Vidyadhara making a gift to the temple. These are indirect references as they do not specifically mention either of the two large twin temples. Based on architecture and iconography, the Bhoganandeshwara and the Arunachaleshwara temples are dated to no lot later than the 10th century and no earlier than the 9th century. In between the twin temples is a small intervening shrine called the Uma Maheshwara shrine with a Kalyana Mandapa supported by ornate pillars in black stone with reliefs depicting of Hindu gods Shiva and his consort Parvati, Brahma and Saraswati, Vishnu and Lakshmi, the Vedic god of fire, Agni and Swaha Devi. In front of a meticulously carved black stone Kalyana Mandapa with decorative creepers and birds. Next, plantation and adoption of a tree. Keep banana plants at least 4.5 meter, that is 15 feet, from trees and shrubs with large root systems that may compete with the banana's water. Dwarf varieties require less space. Next, we'll be exploring about water conservation. Water conservation for farmers is crucial, especially regions facing water scarcity or droughts. Efficient water management helps maintain crops yields, reduces costs and ensures sustainable agricultural practices. There are various strategies that farmers can adapt to conserve water. First, drip irrigation. Drip irrigation providing consistent moisture. Rainwater harvesting. Collecting and storing rainwater for irrigation or other agricultural uses. Farmers can reduce dependency on groundwater or surface water sources, especially during dry periods. Mulching. Applying organic or synthetic materials on the soil surface around plants. Mulch reduces soil. Next, moving on to the food walk. As a part of the food walk, we went to the famous sweet stall, which is located in Chikbalapur near bus stand. There is Sri Venkateshwara today till they are maintaining the same taste of the sweets. Badam halwa and Mysore pak are the must try sweets. The prices for these sweets are affordable. This sweet stall is absolute delight for the sweet lovers. Apart from these sweets, there are many other sweets to taste in this sweet stall, namely Domba Roti, Son Papdi, Doodh Peda, Padosha, Jangri, Bundi, Laddu, and many more to try.
Chica.
Next, we'll be exploring about organic farming and waste management. Organic farming promotes the use of crop rotations and cover crops and encourages balanced growth. Organic residues and nutrients produced on the farm are recycled back to the soil. Cover crops and composted manure are used to maintain soil organic matter and fertility. Organic farming in India is an agricultural process. Uses pest control derived from organic manure and animal or plant waste. This farming started to respond to the environmental suffering caused by chemical pesticides and synthetic fertilizers. Maximum but sustainable use of resources, ensuring the basic biological functions of soil, water, nutrients, human continue. Here are some of the benefits of organic farming. First, environmental sustainability. Organic farming practices prioritize soil health and biodiversity. Methods such as crop rotation, composting, and biological pest controls and promotes soil fertility, reduce erosion, improved soil quality. Organic farming practices enhances soil structure, increases soil organic matter, and promotes nutrients recycling. Next, we'll be discussing about waste management. Waste management or waste disposal includes the process and actions required to manage waste from its inception to final disposal. This includes collection, transport, treatment, and disposal of waste, together with monitoring and regulation of waste management process and waste-related loss technologies, economic mechanisms. Waste can be solid